It's Thursday, it's Tutorial Thursday, it's Tutorial Thursday with Jobim. And today is a big one, okay? All the very important. I need you to listen very well, okay? No fluff, no mess. Actually, not even no intro today. We're getting right into it. This month is August. So we already know that Thursdays are an important day at Jobim Clothing, but specifically, August is even more important, okay? Because it's our biggest annual sale. To help you understand how big we're talking, I know you guys know about Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Think of it as Jobim Clothing's own early Black Friday. Yep. You see, you're not gonna find a sale of this magnitude any other time of the year. In fact, it needs to be a national holiday if we're gonna be real. That's how big and that's how important it is, okay? Forget Black Friday. Listen, don't even waste your time waiting on Black Friday at Jobim Clothing because August, the last Thursday in August, mark it down, put it in your calendar every year. It was last year, it's this year, it's gonna be the next year, okay? Basically, almost, if I can get it down to 50%, it's going to be 50%. Okay? If I can't get it to 50%, it's going to be 40. Okay? If I can't get it to 40, well, I'm going to get it as close to 40 as I can possibly get it. Okay? These are all, like, you just, listen, I'm stumbling over my words trying to express to you how big and how important it is. This year, we're taking it up just another notch. Okay? We're going to include a free gift with your item. Now, the details. For the first 20 people that place an order, you're going to receive a free gift. The way that you're able to get that free gift is you need to sign up for our special email list. Even if you're a part of the Jobim Clothing email exclusive list, this one is more important, okay? Is going to be the list specifically for sales like this one. The biggest sale, the biggest annual sale at Jobim Clothing. That is how you get qualified. So not only is it the first 20 people, but it's the first 20 people that are also on the very special list for our biggest annual sale, free gifts. And as from now, it's going to be a surprise. I don't know, y'all might wear me down in between now and then, and I might share on social media, in a social media post what the free gift is, but I don't know. I like surprises. And when they free too, like, come on, it's a winning situation. Just to recap, last Thursday in August, biggest annual sale at Jobim Clothing. You need to join our special email list to be included in the pool of the first 20 people to place an order to receive a free gift with your order. These are going to be the biggest discounts that you have seen the entire year at Jobim Clothing. Don't need to wait for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Christmas, Easter, next year. No, because the only time next year is going to be on the biggest annual sale. That's the only time. Anyway, I hope that you guys continue to have an amazing day. And as usual, I can't wait to see you next Thursday.